In this video, I will show you step by step on how to import massively from China to Cameroon by sea shipping, step by step tutorial. So let's begin. So just like what you see on the screen of this video right here, a very big thank to Mrs. Ken from Cameroon that always use my procurement service for import from China. Just like what you see right here, these are all the items we are going to purchase. So you can see my conversation with this person right here. There are a lot of things we are going to purchase, and we are making use Pinduoduo to ship from China to Cameroon. These are all the items right here. So there are a lot of things we are going to purchase, and I'm going to show you step by step on how everything is done. And if you are the type that also wants me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into tutorial and see how to place order and how to import all these items from China to Cameroon step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. So just like what I told you guys, we are going to import from China to Cameroon using Pinduoduo shopping app. So right here, this is my Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on it straight. So on getting to Pinduoduo, right here, you can the first thing you need to do is to make sure you add an item to cart. But to make this video very short and straight to the point, I have already had all the items to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check my channel for video tutorial on how you can add an item to cart. After you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. Then I'll get it to your profile. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. So just like what you see from my WhatsApp, so these are all the items we are going to import from China to Cameroon, just like what you see right here. So you can see them all right here. So I'm going to start from the bottom right here. So I'm going to start from here, and what I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the item. Then I'm going to click on here to select this item. Then I'm going to select this. 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 I'm going to select this and this. Then I'm going to select this. I'm going to select this and this and this. So what I'm going to do after selecting all these items, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. So you can check the preview of all the items so that we have been selected so far. So these are all the items right here. So you can see them right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So you can see them all right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that my Alipay is checked. Then I click on here to proceed to payment. So I'm paying the sum of 778.58 yuan to purchase all the item, the first batch of the item. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to confirm. Then I enter my payment password. Boom. So you can see payment done successful. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is to close this pop-up right here. And I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, then all the items we just purchased is going to be found between these two icons right here. So let's check them out. So the first one here, we have 7 items lined up right here, waiting for the supplier approve. And we have the rest of the item right here. So let's check them out. So you can see the rest of the item right here. We have successfully purchased all these items. So you can see them right here. So this is how to import from China using Pinduoduo shopping app step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel for more importation business tutorial, consider to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell so each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.